Eeny, meeny, this one. So last night after dinner, we went to Family Dollar and I found that case, and that's how I ended up with all these Pokeballs. So let's open them up and see what we get. Seems like this one we have sticker. I can't get this dang sticker out of. Come on, come on, get, get out, get out, get out, get out, get. There it is. Whew. Anyways, nice sticker. Another sticker. Scarlet and Violet. Stellar Crown. Nice. And another Stellar Crown. Nice. Heck yeah. Scarlet and Violet. Let's open this one up first. So with this one, we're going to try to pull... I'm not too sure what the chase card is for Scarlet and Violet. And we got a Meridian. Okay, Stellar Crown. Let's see, maybe we can pull that Bulbasaur. Maybe we can pull Squirtle. What did we get? Arcalocatodong. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Last pack magic. Please, God, please! One to the front. And what do we get on this one? A Caracosta. Gosh dang it. Oh well, the hunt continues.